Hello investors, my name is Dehan and welcome back to number one place for all your investing needs. In today's video, we're going to be looking at the top 4 altcoins to buy right now in the month of June. So as you guys know, the market has been, pretty much consolidating for the past few weeks, and that is a good sign. Now we're waiting for that upward momentum or downward momentum to see how the market is going to perform overall. Right now, the market is up about 0.5% in the past 24 hours. We see our highest volume is like usual Bitcoin. New listing Dogecoin is listed on Coinbase, which was huge news last week. And then obviously the top gainer in the past 24 hours is going to be STORJ Storage. So this one I'm not too familiar with, but we're going to go over it real quick and just see how it's been performing. So it's up 9% in the past 24 hours, 15% in the past week, and then obviously here on the 1 month chart down about 41% on that crash, and in the 1 year chart up over 788% with the market cap at a low 335.5 million. So plenty of room for this coin to grow as you guys can do more research into it, see how it's performing. And now you guys see it's actually changed to Solana for the top gainer. And Solana, we all know what it's been doing and how it's performing. So Bitcoin, it's pretty much flat in the past 24 hours. It did sell off a little bit after, the Elon Musk breakup tweet that people were seeing. And then obviously we saw some other crypto news that we're going to be discussing as well. Now Ethereum is up about 3.3%. Binance pretty much flat. Dogecoin pretty much flat. Most of these coins are either flat, a little bit red, or a little bit green. Now, the crypto news that we have right now is actually, I think it's fake news that did not actually happen. I don't think that Anonymous actually made this video, but Musk's crypto tweet destroys lives, Anonymous says, as hacker group targets Tesla CEO. A lot of people are coming out and saying that this is not the real Anonymous, that they not made this, somebody else made this as a fake. So a video on the YouTube claiming to be from the hacker group Anonymous takes aim at Tesla and SpaceX CEO Elon Musk, saying his tweets that have, roiled the cryptocurrency markets have destroyed lives of hardworking people who've, had their dreams liquidated over your public tempered tantrums. You guys can read more into it, but I do not believe that the actual group, made this video. I think that somebody else did it and, just said that they were with them. But, yeah, so that was the crypto news that happened in the past 24 hours that is bigger or, more important, I guess you could say, if it is true or if it's not. So you guys let me know in the comments, is it true or not? Was it actually them? Now, before we get into the list, guys, go ahead and smash that like button. Let's aim for 100 plus likes on this video. Subscribe to the channel. We just hit 36,000 subscribers. We're aiming for 50,000 by the end of the year. If you guys want to sign up for Webull and get your 2 free stocks valued up to $1,800, links are going to be in the description for that as well. Now, let's get into it. So the first altcoin on our list is going to be Dash, D-A-S-H. So this one is up about 0.6% in the past 24 hours, so pretty much flat, trading at $188, hit lows down here of $179 a few hours ago. Now in the past week, this one's up about 6%, which is pretty nice. In the past month, down obviously 52% from highs of almost 500 at one point, and lows down here of about 121. Now in the past year, this coin is up about 140%. Now compared to some of the other altcoins, that is a little bit lower. Even Bitcoin has made a bigger performance than that. But this coin was trading around the 70s, low 60s right there in 2020. And now we were trading at almost 500 at one point. And those were some massive gains. But even if you bought last year at $70, you'd still be up about 150%, almost 200% on this one, even if you didn't sell at the top up here. But obviously, we did pull back a little bit, trading right here about the March area prices that we were trading in March. So a little bit of a pullback. Now we're looking for that consolidation, like we said, and then an upward movement. Market cap 1.9 billion. Volume in the past 24 hours in this coin is 428.5 million, with the circulating supply at around 10.2 million. Now, Dash is a cryptocurrency with optimal speed and privacy features, which is a key thing, guys. Its unique network architecture consists of both regular miners and privileged machines called master nodes, which is pretty, neat to see what's going on with that. So definitely interesting to see how this one's going to perform in the next few weeks and months, and obviously the rest of 2021 and so on after that. But we think that Dash has some potential to potentially be trading up higher. It's only a 1.9 billion market cap, so I would not be surprised to see this one trading at around a 10 billion market cap in the near future, which would give it about a 5x, maybe even more, and it would be trading at around $1,000 per coin. So this could be a good dip buying opportunity, as we've seen this coin trade at almost 500 in the past. So it could definitely past that and continue to move higher, especially if the cryptocurrency world continues to boom higher and gets accepted more and more worldwide. The second altcoin on our list is going to be Litecoin. So you guys know this one, LTC. This is like the silver to Bitcoin's gold. So this one was up about 1.79% for the day, currently trading at $176. In the past week, it's up about 7.5%. In the past month, down 50% from highs of over 400 at one point, hit lows down here of about 117. So massive downtrend right there that we saw when the crypto crash happened. But now we're consolidating here for the past few weeks at this 170 to 200 area. Market cap is 11.8 billion. Volume in the past 24 hours at 2.3 billion, and the circulating supply 66.8 million. Now this one right here on the 1 year chart still up 277% as it was trading in the low 40s. At the beginning of 2020 or mid 2020. Like we said, we hit those highs up there, and now we're pulling back. We're still trading at prices that we were trading right here in pretty much March. So once again, we're only trading at around 2 months, back. So we pretty much went back in time 2 months, and we're trading at those prices right now, which is pretty much a sale or a Black Friday sale, in my opinion. If you believed in these coins, before, why would you not believe in them now, as they are cheaper and a better buying opportunity for the future if you were, a long-term holder. Litecoin is a cryptocurrency that uses a faster payment confirmation schedule and a different cryptographic algorithm than Bitcoin. So a little bit different than Bitcoin, but still, if you guys take a look, we had those highs in 2017. It's a 420. We still haven't broken that, in 2021 right here, but we were very close at one point. So we still haven't hit those highs from 2017, which is, strange to see. But you guys already know that a lot of these other coins are, now better than Litecoin, and Litecoin's kind of fallen behind. And, that's why they're not in the top 3 anymore like they used to be with Ethereum and Bitcoin back in 2017. Third altcoin on the list can be VECHAIN. So we like VECHAIN, we like VET. This one is a very popular one on our channel, up about almost 2% on the day. Currently trading at 13 cents. We were trading down here about 12 cents or so earlier on. Now, in the past week, this one is up 33%. So we discussed this one when it was trading at around 9 cents, almost 10 cents, I believe, last week. And now it's already up 33% from that. Those are some nice gains, obviously, maybe not for the crypto world, but in the stock world, 33% gain in a matter of a week is massive. The market cap on this coin is 8.5 billion, plenty of room to grow, with the volume in the past 24 hours at 990 million, circulating supply 64.3 billion. Now, in the past month, this one is down, obviously, from the 25 cent area that we saw all the way down here to about 6 cents or so, almost 5 cents at one point, down about 36%. And then obviously on the 1 year chart, this coin's still up over 800% right now, as it was trading at 0.0070, hit those highs like we said at 27-28 cents, and then we started to have that pullback after that April run up that we saw. So it ran up pretty much the same time when Dogecoin and Bitcoin ran up to their highs, and then pulled back down as Dogecoin and Bitcoin continued to fall lower. But we're still trading, like we said, at those April prices actually on VECHAIN. So we're only about a month behind, a month and a half behind on VECHAIN. Great dip buying opportunity for anybody, once again, that believes in this one for the long term. VECHAIN is a cryptocurrency and smart contract platform focused on supply chain management. It allows manufacturers to add sensors such as RFID tags to their products that can then record data onto the VECHAIN blockchain. So very interesting what VECHAIN is and how it's going to perform in the future. Definitely an interesting coin that I'm adding to my radar, guys. You guys let me know, are any of these coins on your radar or not? And then last but not least, the number 4 coin on our list for, this Sunday afternoon, beautiful Sunday, guys. I hope you guys are having a great weekend. It's going to be NEO. So NEO is up about 2% today, currently trading at $57, market cap $4 billion, volume in the past 24 hours at around 457.9 million, with a circulating supply at around 70.5 million coins. Now, in the past week, this one is up about 14%. In the past month, down about 50% from those highs of about 140. We went from 140 all the way down to lows of about $35 at one point. That is a huge, huge loss right there. A lot of pullback, and then obviously we're consolidating here around this $50 to $60 range right now. And we're going to have to wait to see what's going to happen this summer. Are we going to see a boom or a bust? So on the 1 year chart, it is still up 386% as it was trading around $10 or so last year. Like we said, those highs at 140, those were some nice gains to see right there. But now we're back to this, April range. Once again, we're trading at around April prices, which is okay. Once again, like I said, if you believed in the coin before and you were buying at 70, 80, even 100, why would you not be buying at a cheaper price if you believe that this coin is going to be worth a lot more, in 5 to 10 years? As the market cap is only $4 billion, I could easily see it trading at, $40 billion market cap, which would give it a price target of around, $557 or so per coin, which is massive. That's about a 10x on this coin, and that would be great to see in the future, obviously. Now, NEO is a cryptocurrency and smart contract platform that supports applications written in a variety of programming languages. Fees, for deploying and running smart contracts are paid with gas, separate tokens. So, guys, that is what, NEO is and how it performs as well. Now that we've covered those altcoins, let's get into some of the bigger coins to see how they're performing. So, Dogecoin is pretty much trading flat on the 24-hour chart, down about 1% almost. Hit lows down here of about what, 35 cents or so, and then we had highs of 38 cents or so. Market cap 48 billion still. It's up about 22%, higher in the past week as we hit those highs of about 44 cents or so after Dogecoin got listed on Coinbase, and we saw a lot of news and hype happen around it. Now in the 1-month chart, this coin is still down 43% from those highs actually that we saw about 73 or 74 cents on the SNL show. We did hit those lows down here of about 17 or 18 cents at one point. So if you bought on that dip, you would be up over 100% right now on Dogecoin. But if you were an investor from 2020, the coin was trading at 0.0026, you would be up over 14,000% right now, which is just crazy to think about, because $1,000 invested at 1,000% is $10,000. So if you had $1,000 invested, you would be up $140,000 on Dogecoin right now, which are just some insane gains to be seen. So Dogecoin definitely doing very well in the past year. Now we have Ethereum. So Ethereum, currently it is up about 3.5% actually today. So in the past 24 hours, 3.5%, trading at that 2,700 area. We needed to break through that 2,900 to 3,000 area. If we can break through that, we can continue to push on higher. That is a major resistance that we see. Market cap 316 billion right now. Volume in the past 24 hours at 27 billion. In the past week, this one's up 19%. Very nice. In the past month, obviously down 22% from those 4,400 level, but we did hit lows of 1,700, and we're up about $1,000 since then. Consolidating around this area, we needed to break through that 3,000 area so we can see an upward momentum. As you guys can see, it keeps bouncing back and forth. So we are consolidating, which is good, but the lows are getting lower and the highs are getting higher, which is a beautiful thing to see. I hope that Ethereum can push through and we'll see new highs, either this summer or by the end of 2021, hopefully. That would be very nice to see. But obviously the coin is still up over 1,000% since last year, trading at 230. So if you invested $1,000, you'd be up about to $10,000 right now. Massive gains were made on Ethereum. And then last but not least, we have the big dog, Bitcoin. So Bitcoin, obviously pretty much flat in the past 24 hours, $36,000 right now. In the past week, it's up about 4%. We couldn't break through that resistance at 39,000. Couldn't break through the 40,000 area. We tried again, here at 38,000. We couldn't break through, so we were pulling back. So we needed to push through that 40,000 area, then the 42,000 area to make new weekly highs or monthly highs. So market cap on this one is 677.4 billion right now. Volume in the past 24 hours, 30.7 billion. As you guys can see, the coin is down 37%. We hit those all-time highs at 64,000 in April, and ever since then we've been on a downtrend. So we're trading at prices that we were trading at about February right now. So we are actually a few months behind on Bitcoin compared to the other altcoins, which is very interesting to see that Bitcoin is differentiating itself from the other altcoins, the movement and the momentum. Very interesting to see how it's performing. It's only up 273% compared to Ethereum's 1,000%. So Ethereum's up about 4 times more than Bitcoin is in the past year or so. So very interesting to see how Bitcoin and Ethereum will perform in the next 5 to 10 years. Are they going to stay close to each other, or pretty much spread apart? Will Ethereum take over or not? Now guys, if you enjoyed this video, go ahead and smash that like button. Let's aim for 100 plus likes on this video. Subscribe to the channel, turn on that bell notification so you get notified every time we make a new video. As always, if you guys want to sign up for Webull and get your 2 free stocks valued up to $1,800, there's going to be a link in the description. Check it out. And as always guys, I hope you guys enjoyed, and I hope to see you guys in the next one. Have a great weekend. Goodbye.